Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Reels to launch product in under 60 seconds. So what you're going to do, first of all, plan your content, right? And then decide on a hook to grab attention in the first few seconds and outline key points about your product, feature, benefits, launch date, and then film short clips showcasing the product from different angles and use engaging backgrounds in well-lit settings, and then choose a trending audio track from Instagram's library to enhance engagement, and then basically use a screen text to highlight essential details, name, features, launch date. Keep text concise and readable, and encourage viewers to visit your profile, click the link, or follow them for more updates, and then share your reel during peak engagement times for your audience, and then respond to comments and encourage shares to maximize reach. By following these steps, you can create an effective Instagram reel to successfully launch your product. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.